Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are just going to unbox something really different. Okay, so when I was going to shopping malls in Malaysia, and my wife pointed out something that she found something really cool in Instagram, and I never saw that before. So we actually bought one of it, and which is this one, the Zuru mini brands, which means this one has the miniature version of all this. Brands like sneakers or whatever, like KFC, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, all this, either food items or like any you know gadgets or whatever it is, they have in the miniature version. You can see this is a sneaker one. So, and there is a rare one as well. So I didn't know much about this actually. So we saw it in a Instagram reel, and luckily we were able to get one of this in that one of the mall. That's the only mall in the Toys R Us we are actually able to get this one. So let's unbox this and see what is inside actually. So normally, we usually unbox, this Majorette's tune-up series. So at least till tune-up series 2, for sure, we had some kind of, like secret codes where we can able to see what is inside exactly. So that's how I actually bought most of it. Okay, it says this capsule is made with recycled plastic. Okay, fine. And okay, there is another layer. Okay, they put a lot of protection on this one. Okay, good, there is no more layer. Okay, let's see what is inside. Okay, it has a mini booklet and two pieces here, and it has a Reebok logo and Reebok t-shirt. These are actually okay, these are actually stickers. I didn't know that. I thought it was just for showcase, like just a piece of cardboard or paper. Okay, these are stickers. Okay, really nice. So all these are actually licensed. So let's see what is in this one first, because honestly I also don't know. So let's see that. Okay, let's start from here. Okay, these are floaters and sneakers. We have Skechers. I don't know much about this brand. Airwalk, Skechers, we are well aware. Reebok is there, and yeah, these all are Reebok. Okay, these are common ones, and these are ultra rare ones, which is this hat and this golden sneakers and this particular t-shirt. I'm not sure what we have here. So let's see on the back side. Okay, there is a lot on the back side as well. Let's see. Okay, so stickers. Okay, we got this sticker here. I think so, right? Let me just see it one more time. Okay, that one is having white color, that Reebok logo. I'm not sure where it is falling under. Let me just see. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, we have this sticker and this one in a white, this one in white color. I'm not sure. Let's open and see what is actually inside. Let me just keep this aside. Okay, first let's open this one. I don't know what this is. There's a small box kind of thing. Okay. Okay, that looks really nice. So it's a hat. It looks really cute, and this looks really nice. Okay, we need to see whether it's rare or common or whatever it is. It is actually pretty flexible. It looks like cloth, but this is not cloth. This is kind of this silicone, not rubber either. This is the silicone material which we see in this mobile phone cases. That kind of material is this. You can see that mold here, the impression of the mold here. Okay, let me just keep this here and let's check it one more time what we are having here. Okay, okay, we have this one here. We have this one here. So these are Okay, nothing is mentioned whether it's rare or like ultra rare or something like that. So which means, okay, no, there is no blue or green here in this one. So which means these are pretty standard. So let's keep this booklet here for a minute. So this one has a small box for the sneakers, which looks really nice. Okay, there are actually multiple variations of this particular thing, like the ball which we bought. There are a lot of things actually, not only sneakers, but we personally chose the sneakers one because that's what my wife actually wanted. So I went with that one. Okay, let me just throw this away. Okay, this looks really nice. Let's keep it as it is. It looks really nice in this small stand kind of thing. Okay, moment of truth. Okay, it is a pink sneaker. Okay. Okay, honestly, that looks really cool. Like it looks really nice. Let me just show you. You can see the Reebok naming here. It has all the detailing properly. I never actually owned a Reebok shoe. I do have Skechers and Woodland, these kind of things, but I never actually owned a Reebok. So this is this is the first Reebok I own, and that is a tie actually. Okay, this one actually moves inside. Like an actual sneaker. That looks really nice. Let me show you this one as well. Okay. So now let's see. I know it is not ultra rare or anything. Okay, this is a common one. The first one we are having. This is the one we are having. I think so, right? Yeah, the first one is the one we are having because this one has this matching the front part here. There is one more pink shoe as well, which is this one, but that one is Skechers. Since we have the Reebok one, yeah, that's pretty much it actually. Okay, let me show you the box also once. There is nothing inside. This is just a basic cardboard box, but these are all licensed if you guys are wondering. These are not just cheap knockoffs or anything. The quality looks really nice. I don't remember for how much I bought this. I just threw away that paper as well. So I'm really sorry guys. I totally forgot for how much I bought this. So I think around 35 ringgits, I guess, for this. So somewhere around 600 rupees, 600 to 650 rupees in Indian money. So overall, it looks really good. Even though it's not too much, but it looks really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.